Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video guys. And if you guys are looking for, ways that wherein you can earn some money, and then this video is for you because guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to earn money with Alibaba affiliate program in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first guys, we need to go to our Alibaba website and log in our account, but using our username and of course our password. So in here guys, in Alibaba homepage, you just have to choose of course what specific product that you wanted to promote. And if you guys already select one, let's say for example you choose this product guys, so just have to copy the link of this product. And after that guys, you can choose any platforms that you wanted to use to promote this product. And of course you need also to choose your target audience, so who's gonna purchase your the product that you are going to promote on any types of platform, either Facebook and TikTok, Instagram. So it's up to you guys. So okay, so you can also use some tools that can help you out to generate some leads or ideas that that would help you to earn money in an easy way. Okay, so that's it guys, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Alibaba. Thank you.